That's my boyfriend, and she gonna have so many stories. If anybody has stories, a little girl, Nunu gonna have stories to tell each and every one of y'all, because that little girl swore up and down he was her boyfriend.
First of all, I'd like to give my condolences to the family. Stay strong, and you in our prayers forever. And to all of you out here, he must have touched each and every one of you in a positive way for this crowd to be out here like this. That ought to tell you something. We need to come together as a community and stop fighting each other and come together to help each other. Because this is outrageous. I mean, come on, he was loved by everybody. And if you're here, he touched your heart in a positive way. And there's nobody out here can say a bad thing about him, because I've never ever heard him raise his voice, be nasty to anybody, always showed everybody respect and love. So I think we need to take that and learn from it. We need to start showing each other more respect and more love. And like I said, my condolences to the family.
I would like to say that the funeral is going to be Wednesday at noon at Cedar Street. Noon, Cedar Street. And his body is going to be at March Funeral Home, and it's going to be a 2-hour viewing. What day? Will his body be ready? Tuesday. So, and also at the funeral, guys, I know how much you want to pay homage by wearing t-shirts with rest in peace in the faces. No t-shirts are allowed at the funeral. No t-shirts. That's a request. So we just, let's come in our suits and our dress. Let's dress for success. You know, let's dress in a different way other than, you know, wearing a t-shirt. We can wear that around our hood, you know, but the day of the funeral, which is going to be 12 noon at Cedar Street, it's requested that we do not wear t-shirts.